Hey, good afternoon, my friends. So this is the border Spaced Armour T-34. The Spaced Armour is a bit dodgy. You can see the connectors don't really fit. You can get it to work, but I wouldn't drill out any of the holes. Just stick it together and use the front as a guide. So I've put some stencil work on it. As you can see there, so that's a bit wonky, but I just did a white star and then I came in and put a red over the top of it, so a smaller star. That one's a little bit better. I'm going to get better at stencil work, but it's a nice build, just apart from the turret Spaced Armour. Really nice build. So the next thing I'll do is I'll do some dry brushing on it, and then we'll start putting some oil washes on it. But we'll start bringing out a little bit of that raised detail with just some light green, some sky green. But it's a really cool tank. You get the little turret wing. That's a metal gun barrel comes with. It's just very nice. Or the one I got anyway, I got the wooden box version. And it comes with that as well, but I put it on the tank. Those canvas rolls, which are pretty nice. But I like it. It's coming up pretty good. So I've used a 4BO by SMS Protective 4BO, which I lightened with this grey-green to get that sort of shadowed modulation. But it's lighter at the bottom of the armour, and I've sort of darkened as it goes up. So what would you call that, reverse modulation, or I don't know. Alright, well, I'm also building another T-34 over here, an 85 version by Mini Art. It's just got so much detail on it. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.